ready for this? Let's do it! Got him! Oh, they're gonna get it! Get him! Now's our chance! Oh! What the? Oh, that is it! We're gonna be in so much trouble! You're all in trouble now! Oh! That was so big. Sorry, ma'am. Teacher never misses! This class is so boring. Oh! What's that notification? Could this be any more boring? Listen up, class. You know what time it is. Oh, no, 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 no! Ha ha ha! It's fitness time! Time to get our steps in and our heart rates up! Oh, this is the worst! That's right! Keep going! Work harder! What the heck? Did he just sit down? What? Why are we doing all the work? Hey! No stopping, slowpokes! Go, go, go! Get fit and strong! Enjoy your youth while it lasts! Yes, that's it! Give me everything you got!
Hey! Coffee and donut break in the teacher's lounge!
Oh, nice! You keep going. I'll be back. Is he leaving? Oh, thank goodness. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Time to make him pay! Phew! That was a lot of work. He'd probably appreciate it. Those were good donuts. Hey, lazy bones! What are you doing sitting down? Oh my goodness! What the? How did this happen?
He's totally stuck!
Out of order! Get up and get in shape! Almost done with these decorations. Ugh, I can't reach for this last balloon. Come on, just a little further. Only a little bit more. Come on, balloon. What's going on over here? Oh, hey, Bella. Hey! Catch this! Whoa! Ah! Ow! You fell so hard! Ugh, what the heck? This isn't funny at all! Time for revenge in the form of a prank. I'll just fill this balloon with some water. And now for my drawing skills. Excellent! Looks just like a baseball. It's payback time. Hey! Yeah? What is it? Oh, catch? Awesome! Here it comes! Catch! Oh, what the heck? I'm all wet! Ha! Yeah, you are! I got you! Oh, I have to use the bathroom! Oh, sorry. I just gotta go! Wow. Honestly, she crashed right into me. Wait a second. I've got a great idea. I'll just shut off the lights. Hey! It's dark in here! Did you shut off the lights? Oh, guess I'll have to try and reach it. Oh my gosh! She totally almost caught me! I'm gonna do it again. Are you kidding me? Time to catch who's doing this to me. Boy, I don't see anyone out here. I wonder how this light keeps turning off. Guess I'll never know. Ha! This is the easiest prank ever! Phew! I'm hilarious! Whoa. What's up with… Oh. Yeah, hi, I guess. But you've got something on your… face. Hi, everyone! Sorry I'm a little late. What the… Bella, was that you? No, it wasn't, I swear! What the heck? Did you put this on my seat? Wait a second. It was you? Glad to see you're here, Bella. Oh, I can't believe the teacher pranked me like that. What the… Is he giving me a rank? Ugh. Morning, class! Nice to see you on time. No Bella yet, though? What? How dare you! Bella, get your feet off my desk!
Yak, yak, yak. You talk too much.
That is it! Have it your way! Ah! Your legs! Her legs! Oh my goodness. Phew. Oh! A prank. I see. Very funny. You earn a point for that. And don't forget to show your work!
This class is the worst. Maybe I'll just take a nap.
What is that sound? Napping? Is she napping in my class? Wake up! Wake up! The teacher's onto you! Ooh! She needs to be taught a lesson. She thinks she can just fall asleep in my class like that. This VR will totally scare her. This is such a good idea on my part. I'll just put this over her face. There. It's ready. Wake up! Ah! I'm on a roller coaster! Help! How did I get here? Ah! Not the loop-de-loop! Oh, this is hilarious! Look at her go! She's flailing all over the place! Oh my gosh! Oh, my heart is racing! This is the best class I've ever attended!
It's important to know the periodic table.
Uh-huh. Sure. Whatever you say, Teach.
Cell phones?
Absolutely not! Ugh. Okay. Fine. There. We put them away. Okay. Good. Let me just get a drink. That's some refreshing water. Alright. Back to the elements. Uh-oh. I need a laboratory break. He just left us alone. Hey, you wanna prank him? Yeah, this will work great. Open it. And I'll get the tape. Okay, put it over the top. And then put the cat back on. This is gonna be awesome. Let's get back to our desks. Prank high five. Phew. That's better. Oh, my poor throat. I've been talking too much. Huh? What's going on with my water bottle? It's totally working! This is against the laws of physics. How is this water fighting against the gravitational forces? Is this a prank? Which one of you did it? We totally got him! Which of these pranks would you use on your teacher? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.